Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. Today we'll walk you through how to franchise Chatime, one of the leading milk tea brands in the Philippines. Whether you're a milk tea lover or an aspiring entrepreneur, this guide will provide all the key information you need. Let's dive right in. Chatime is an international milk tea brand that originated in Taiwan and has rapidly expanded across the globe. In the Philippines, it has become one of the top choices for milk tea, with a growing number of branches nationwide. Since its founding in 2005, Chatime has become one of the biggest international bubble tea brands today, as well as being the only publicly listed beverage provider in the Taiwan Stock Exchange. But today, Chatime has now opened more than 130 stores in the Philippines and over 2,500 stores worldwide. Their mission to create an Eastern version of the coffee shop to attract the fast-paced and health-conscious youth with the support of their partners and consultants in Taiwan. They will keep inventing local flavored drinks that go well with the aroma of tea in order to establish a tea drinking culture worldwide. Their product menu, continuous development and innovation of tea beverages has always been a part of the company culture in order to serve the best bubble teas to the customers. Chatime is well known for its extensive product lineup. The menu includes milk tea classics, milk tea premium, cream cheese, fruit teas, smoothies, brown sugar series, lattes and coffee, chocolate-based drinks, taro, and refreshing cold beverages. With such a diverse menu, you're sure to cater to a wide variety of customer preferences. For the franchise packages and fees, to become a Chatime franchisee, you need an initial investment depending on the location and store formats. For the store formats, the pop-up store franchise package is worth 2.5 million to 7 million. For the inline store, the franchise package is around 6 million to 8 million pesos. It includes the franchise fee worth 300,000 pesos and it covers the right to use the brand and its trademarks. Other costs include store construction, equipment, and initial inventory. It is important to note that these fees may vary depending on the specific conditions of the franchise. For the franchise inclusions, your Chatime franchise package comes with several key inclusions to help you get started. Trademark rights, site approval, comprehensive training for both the franchisee and staff, procurement program for raw materials, assistance during store opening, ongoing research and development for new products, and operations manual to help manage your store effectively. These inclusions ensure that you are fully equipped to run your franchise from day one. For the franchise requirements, the franchise term is 3 years. The store space requirement is approximately 30 to 60 square meters. For the staff minimum requirement is from 8 to 4 staff depending on the operational needs. For the 15 days training program, 6 days is for operational instruction. It will take 2 days for the management strategy, 6 days in-store operational training, and 1 day for assessment. For the benefits of franchising Chatime, franchising Chatime offers numerous advantages. Number 1, you are entering a proven business model with an established brand reputation. Number 2, training and support are provided at every step to ensure your business runs smoothly. Number 3, you benefit from collective marketing efforts that boost brand recognition, leading to more foot traffic. And number 4, the business enjoys economies of scale in procurement, which reduces operating cost. With these perks, Chatime ensures a higher chance of success for its franchisees. For the application process, here are the steps to apply for a Chatime franchise. Number 1. Submit your confidential questionnaire and letter of intent. Number 2. Chatime will review your application and invite you for a discussion. Number 3. You will receive the franchise disclosure information. Number 4. Chatime will evaluate your proposed location. Number 5. Sign the franchise agreement once approved. Number 6. Store setup and staff training begins. And number 7. Chatime will assist you with marketing and the grand opening of your store. It is a streamlined process designed to help you get up and running efficiently. For the contact information, for more information, you can reach Chatime Philippines with the address 8006 Pioneer Street, Corner United Street, Capitolio, Pasig City, Philippines. You can send them an email at chatimefilippines@yahoo.com. You can also visit their website at www.chatime.com.ph. You can also visit their Facebook page at Chatime Philippines. You can also call their Taiwan franchise hotline at 886-975-896-771. For the international franchise hotline, you can contact 886-988-050818. For the frequently asked questions, here are some frequently asked questions about franchising Chatime. Question number 1. How long before I can start my business? Answer. After signing the franchise agreement, it typically takes a few months to set up and train staff before your store's grand opening. Question number 2. What support does Chatime offer post-opening? Answer. You will receive ongoing marketing, operations, and R&D support to help your franchise grow. Question number 3. Can I choose my own location? Answer. Chatime will assess your proposed location, but final approval comes from the franchisor to ensure it aligns with brand standards. Be a part of the most successful bubble tea store in the world so you can achieve your franchising dreams with exceptional customer service and a friendly smile. That's it for today's video on how to franchise Chatime in the Philippines. If you have more questions, feel free to leave a comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on business and franchising. See you next time!